Dan from Smart Homes Matter, just here to show you how to set up your smart gateway. Just open it up. A box, some instructions. There's a network cable and there's a USB powered power cable. The device has a network cable connector there, a USB power supply. The little black button is a reset button. If you need to reset it, hold that down for about 7 seconds. And on the side here, there's a QR code, which is for your Apple HomeKit setup. So you just power the device up. Plug in this USB in there. The other end goes into just a 1 amp or greater USB charger, and then the network cable just plugs in the other side. Just plugs in there. Just make sure it's actually locked in, so it doesn't come loose. Just going to connect your Zigbee Hub to your Wi-Fi router. There's a wired connection. So you've already powered up your hub. You'll have a Wi-Fi router. It may look different to this, but it should be something similar. If you have a look on the back of it, there'll be a row of LAN connections, LAN. So you want to plug into one of those. It doesn't matter which one. So you take your network cable, which is supplied in the box, and you just plug into any one of those. Again, give it a little tug, make sure it's plugged in nice and tight, and the other side goes into your Zigbee Hub, and that's all there is to it. Now you can power it all up, and we'll go on to the next step. Once the power is on, you'll see the little lights inside here. Should be blue and red lights. If for any reason it's not connecting, then you just hold down the reset button for about 7 seconds until it'll start flashing, and they'll put it into pairing mode. Now you go into your Smart Life app, which hopefully you've already downloaded using the QR code supplied. And you just press the little plus button up here, and you want to add a device. It'll start searching, and it'll pop up there saying Zigbee Gateway. So you just click on that, and you'll see a little time wheel here is spinning around while it's just connecting and downloading its latest version of the software. It does this all automatically. It's added successfully. Now at this point you can pop in and rename this if you want to, but you don't have to, but you can pop in there. You can give it put where you're going to, if it lives in your study, you can put in the study, and you can give it a name up here and change the name. For the purpose of this exercise, we won't do any of that. Just press done. And that is the Zigbee Gateway connected. Simple as that. Now to add other Zigbee devices, just click on Add Subdevice device. And it just says to check that something's in pairing mode. Click OK. And it'll just search network looking for any other devices ready to pair. We don't have any at the moment, but we'll come back to that later.